Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about Brodmann's area. We'll not discuss about all. We will be only remembering the important ones. So, starting with the most important area, that is 1, 2, and 3, that is our primary somatosensory cortex. Okay. Then we will remember. How we'll remember? Motor areas are even and sensory areas are odd numbers. Motor areas are even number and sensory areas are odd numbers. So first discussing the motor areas. 1 to 3 we have already covered. Then after that what even number is coming? 4. That will be primary motor area. And the injury to this part will result in the contralateral side spastic paralysis. Then we will be having area number 6. After 4 the even number coming is 6. Then we will be having area number 6 premotor cortex. Premotor cortex injury will lead to apraxia. Then after that premotor cortex we next have the frontal eye field area. Frontal eye field area is area number 8. Remember, like this specs also seem like if we place these specs vertically, it will be seeing like two means circles are united, it will be forming number 8. So frontal eye field is area number 8. Okay, 4, 6, 8 we have done. We are left with 5 and 7. 5 is somatosensory association area. Okay, this was sensory area. This was association, sensory association area. And this injury will to this will result in apraxia and astereognosis. Astereognosis. Then 7 is also that only sensory area. 7 we don't need to remember the name. It is not that important. So we are done with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 5. Then after that we have the visual areas. The visual areas are visual means to see anything. So it will be starting with C S E E S for C and S for 17. So it will be starting with 17. So 17 S for 17 and S for seeing or vision. 17 is primary visual area. Primary visual area. And injury to that will result in the keyhole vision. Keyhole vision, not keyhole visual defect. Keyhole visual defect is due to lateral geniculate body. Keyhole vision, that is unilateral injury, will result in contralateral homonymous hemianopia with macular sparing. Means macula is spare, keyhole vision is left. And bilateral will result in cortical blindness with intact pupillary reflex. It is lying in the calcarine sulcus. Then after 17 we have 18. 18 is secondary visual area. Secondary visual area. Then we have 19. 19 is visual association area. Secondary and association. Then after 19 we have 20, 21 and 22. 20 is inferior temporal gyrus, 21 is middle temporal gyrus and 22 is superior temporal gyrus. Inferior and middle, they are linked with the vision only. Okay, inferior and middle are linked with the vision, but superior will be linked with the language. From the 22 the language starts. Superior temporal gyrus area number 22, also known as Wernicke's area, and it is responsible for understanding or comprehension of the speech, and injury to this will result in fluent aphasia. Fluent aphasia means person is able to speak but he is not able to understand it. Fluent or sensory aphasia. Then after that, after the 22 we have area number 41 and 42. After 22 we'll be discussing area number 41 and 42. 41 and 42 are primary and auditory association area. 41 is primary auditory cortex. Okay. Then 42 also is primary auditory cortex. 43 is related to gustatory area. 43 is gustatory. For, remember like this, 43 is for treat. In the treat we means we will be tasting the thing. Gustation is involved. 43 treat. Okay. Then 44 and 45. 44 and 45 in the inferior frontal gyrus. F for frontal, F for 44. And it is linked with the which area? Broca's area or motor speech area. Broca's area or motor speech area, and the injury to this part will result in the aphasia. In what type of aphasia will be there? Non-fluent aphasia means person is not able to understand, means able to understand but not able to speak. The motor activity is not present there. So that are the important area we discussed. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, then 4, 6, 8, then 5 and 7. Then after that 17, 18, 19 with the vision. 20, 21 also with the vision. 22 with the speech. 41, 42 with the speech. 43 with the gestation. 44, 45 linked with the speech. So that were the areas. Then we once again see what are the motor areas. Motor areas were 4, 6, 8, and along with that motor speech area is 44. Then body sensation areas are 3, 1, 2, 5 and 7. And after that we have the 22 with the speech. That is also sensory. And another are 37, 39, 40, which are left, that are included in the body sensation areas. Then auditories, primary auditory was 41. Okay, and secondary auditory is 22 and 42. These all things are extra. If you don't want to remember, then leave it. What first we have discussed, remember only that. So I hope it will make the understanding of the Brodmann's area and remembering them easy. If you find my content useful, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.